Imagine spending hours crafting one piece of content, a detailed blog post, maybe a comprehensive report. Then the realization hits. You need a video, social media posts, and email all promoting the exact same thing. You sigh, open a new document, and start all over. Sound familiar? That endless content treadmill is the #1 reason creators burn out and why businesses struggle for consistent online presence. But what if you could turn one single, dense idea into 15 unique, high-quality content pieces, videos, blogs, social updates, all on AI autopilot? What if the struggle for constant output became a strategic, almost effortless multiplication of your efforts? This isn't just a dream, it's a practical, step-by-step workflow. Today, I'm going to show you how to leverage powerful AI video tools and the latest LLMs to transform a single source document into a complete content empire, saving hundreds of hours and massively scaling your output. Let's dive in. The core problem is simple. Content demand has exploded. Every platform, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, your blog, your email list, requires a specific format, length, and tone. Most people approach this like Sisyphus pushing his boulder. They create each piece of content from scratch. They write a blog, then spend hours manually summarizing it for Twitter, refilming for TikTok, and editing for Instagram Reels. This fragmented manual process is inefficient, inconsistent, and frankly exhausting. It leads to low-quality output as you rush and ultimately burnout. The solution isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter by building a centralized AI-driven content multiplication system. Instead of creating, you're extracting and adapting at lightning speed, ensuring every piece of content reinforces your core message. All right, let's get you set up. The foundation of this entire workflow is what I call your dense source document. Think of this as your content DNA. A detailed newsletter, an in-depth research report, a recorded webinar transcript, or even just detailed notes from a brainstorming session. For this tutorial, let's imagine our source document is a comprehensive internal report on the future of AI in customer service. Now for the essential tools. You'll need 1. A powerful LLM, like ChatGPT, Claude, or even Google's Gemini. This is your text extraction and adaptation engine. 2. An AI video generation platform. Tools like HeyGen, Synthesys AI Studio, or Piccolo are excellent. These turn text into engaging videos with realistic avatars. 3. Many AI video platforms include this, but standalones like ElevenLabs can offer even more control. 4. A simple video editor. CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or even built-in phone editors work for quick aspect ratio tweaks. One critical gotcha to avoid right from the start. Don't begin with a vague input like AI is cool. Your source document must be specific, dense with information, and well-structured. The quality of your output is directly proportional to the quality of your input. So gather that detailed report, that exhaustive blog post, and let's get ready. Here's where the magic truly happens, transforming one source into 15. Step 1. Extracting text variations with LLMs. Open your preferred LLM. We're going to use specific prompts to carve out different content pieces from our Future of AI and Customer Service report. Example 1. LinkedIn post. Copy a key section from your report. Let's say the part discussing proactive AI-driven support. Prompt. You are a B2B marketing expert. From the following text, write a concise, professional LinkedIn post under 150 words, targeting customer service managers. Focus on the benefits of proactive, include 3 bullet points, and a strong call to action to learn more. Text. Paste your text here. The LLM will generate a perfectly tailored post. Example 2. Twitter thread. Now let's take another section, perhaps about ethical AI deployment. Prompt. As a social media strategist, break down the core points of the following text into a 5-tweet Twitter thread. Each tweet should be engaging, include relevant emojis, and the final tweet should ask a question to spark discussion. Text. Paste your text here. You'll instantly have a ready-to-post thread. Repeat this for blog snippets, email intros, Instagram captions, each time adjusting your prompt for the target audience, format, tone, and desired length. This is the key variable to adjust for best results. Mastering these prompt templates. Keep a library of successful prompts. Step 2. Feeding text into AI video tools. Now we take these text variations and bring them to life. For a short explainer video on proactive AI support, copy the LinkedIn post text or a slightly expanded version of it. Go to an AI video platform like HeyGen. 1. Click Create Video and select an avatar that fits your brand. 2. Paste your text into the script box. The tool will automatically generate a voiceover. You can often choose from various voices and languages. 3. Click Generate Subtitles to ensure accessibility. 4. Crucially, many platforms offer multilingual audio generation. With a single click, you can have your video script translated and spoken by the same AI avatar in Spanish, French, German. Suddenly, your one video is 3, 4, or 5, targeting global audiences. Step 3. Leverage clip editors and automated post-production. Once your AI video is generated, download it. 1. Open it in a simple editor like CapCut. 2. Your AI video platform likely defaulted to 16:9 widescreen. Use CapCut to adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical shorts or reels, or 1:1 for square Instagram posts. The AI avatars often adapt well to these crops. 3. Trim down your videos into even shorter snippets for TikTok or Instagram stories. Add text overlays or trending sounds directly in your editor. This transforms a 60-second AI-generated explainer into 3 15-second social media blasts. This is the part most people miss. Small edits make a huge difference in platform optimization. Ready to really supercharge this? Here are some advanced strategies. Power user trick 1. Implement staged distribution to a content queue. Don't just publish everything at once. Use a content scheduling tool, we'll get to that, to space out your posts. Maybe your blog post goes live Monday, the LinkedIn post Tuesday, the short video Wednesday, Twitter thread Thursday, and an email newsletter Friday. This ensures consistent presence without overwhelming your audience or your internal content pipeline. Power user trick 2. Combine with AI image generation. For your blog posts, social media, or even video thumbnails, integrate AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E 3. Take your text variations, plug them into the image AI with descriptive prompts, and generate custom visuals that perfectly match your content's theme and tone. No more stock photos that look generic. And finally, combine with a content calendar tool for seamless scheduling. Tools like Notion, Asana, Trello, or even Google Calendar are invaluable. Once you've generated your 15+ content pieces, link them to specific publication dates and times within your chosen calendar. This creates a fully organized, automated content factory, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks and you maintain a steady drumbeat of valuable information across all your channels. Let's visualize this. From our single Future of AI and Customer Service report, we've just created a long-form blog post written with LLM assistance, a 2-minute avatar-hosted explainer video for YouTube, a 30-second vertical video for TikTok/Shorts, cropped from the explainer, a 1-to-1 square video for Instagram, cropped again, a 5-tweet Twitter thread, a LinkedIn article summary, an email newsletter snippet for your subscribers. Multiple image assets for social media from AI image generators, and potentially all of these translated and revoiced into 3 to 4 other languages. That's easily 15+ pieces of content from one initial input. Think about the time and money saved. Tasks that used to take days of writing, filming, editing, and translating can now be accomplished in a matter of hours. You're effectively replacing several content creators and editors with a smart, streamlined AI workflow. Who can use this? Bloggers needing to expand reach, marketers struggling with multi-channel campaigns, agencies managing multiple client accounts, educators converting lessons into diverse formats. Anyone who needs high-volume, high-quality, and diverse content output can start implementing these strategies today. The investment is minimal compared to the returns in reach, engagement, and consistency. This workflow isn't just about saving time. It's about amplifying your message and building a truly omnipresent content strategy without the burnout. The power to create a content empire from a single idea